Every morning, millions of Americans wake up and head to work. Teachers teach, drivers drive, accountants crunch numbers, customer service representatives answer calls. It feels normal. It feels permanent. But what if many of these jobs won't exist in just a few years? Not because of a recession, not because of a pandemic, but because of artificial intelligence. The technology that once seemed like science fiction is now writing reports, creating videos, answering customer questions, coding software, and even making business decisions. Some experts believe AI will create enormous wealth. Others warn it could trigger the largest workforce disruption in American history. By 2030, the way we work may look completely different. And the biggest question is, will your job survive? Throughout history, technology has always changed work. The steam engine transformed agriculture. Electricity changed manufacturing. Computers revolutionized offices. The internet reshaped communication. But AI is different. Previous technologies replaced tasks. AI can replace thinking. For the first time, machines are learning to perform cognitive work. Tasks once considered uniquely human are becoming automated. Writing, research, data analysis, customer support, programming, even creativity. And unlike previous technological revolutions, AI isn't developing slowly. It's improving at an extraordinary pace. What took decades before now happens in months. America stands at the beginning of a transformation unlike anything seen before. One of the first major industries facing disruption is customer service. Every day, millions of customer questions follow predictable patterns. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? What are your business hours? AI systems now answer these questions instantly. They never sleep, never take breaks, never call in sick. Companies see enormous cost savings. Consumers often receive faster responses. As AI assistants become more sophisticated, many traditional customer support roles may gradually disappear. The transformation is already happening. And this is only the beginning. America's economy runs on transportation. Millions of people work as truck drivers, delivery drivers, taxi drivers, and logistics operators. But autonomous technology is advancing rapidly. Self-driving systems continue improving every year. Trucks can travel thousands of miles across the country. Delivery robots are appearing in cities. AI manages routes more efficiently than ever before. While widespread adoption may take time, transportation could become one of the most heavily transformed industries of the next decade. For workers, the future remains uncertain. For businesses, the potential savings are enormous. For years, many believed college-educated professionals were protected. That assumption may no longer be true. AI can already analyze contracts, summarize research, generate financial reports, draft emails, review thousands of pages in minutes. Accountants, paralegals, financial analysts, administrative assistants. Many routine tasks within these professions are becoming automated. This doesn't necessarily mean entire jobs disappear overnight, but it does mean fewer people may be needed to accomplish the same amount of work. The impact could reshape corporate America. Despite AI's remarkable capabilities, some skills remain difficult to automate. Empathy, leadership, trust, creativity, human connection, a nurse comforting a patient, a teacher inspiring a student, a leader motivating a team. These moments involve more than information. They involve humanity. The future may belong to people who combine human strengths with AI tools. Those who learn to work alongside technology rather than compete against it. Adaptability could become the most valuable skill of all. Imagine America in 2030. AI assistants help workers every hour of the day. Personalized education adapts to every student. Medical diagnoses become faster and more accurate. Businesses operate with unprecedented efficiency. Productivity reaches new heights. But alongside these benefits come difficult questions. Who owns the technology? Who benefits from the profits? How do displaced workers find new opportunities? The choices made today will shape the society of tomorrow. Every generation faces a defining challenge. For previous generations, it was industrialization, or globalization, or the internet. For our generation, it may be artificial intelligence. The future is not predetermined. Technology itself is neither good nor bad. What matters is how society chooses to use it. AI may replace some jobs. It may create entirely new industries. It may transform the meaning of work itself. One thing is certain. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected, and the decisions we make today will determine what America looks like tomorrow. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world. The question is, are we ready?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting and informative videos. See you in the next video.